Hello, my name is Charles Fleischer, the Dragon Voice Recognition Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to use the command save file as using Dragon NaturallySpeaking within Microsoft Word. And you use this if you want to change the name of a file that you're currently working on. You save file as. So we're going to start by waking up the microphone. It's currently in sleep mode, which you can tell that by looking at the microphone is blue down here. Wake up, save file as, video, demo page, click save, stop listening. So it's pretty straightforward for today's tip. And again, this is when you want to change the name of a file you're currently working on. All you have to do is say save file as, and the box should open up and give you an opportunity to change the name and then save it. Once again, I'm Charles Fleischer, the Dragon Voice Recognition Pro, and if you want to get more tips, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you want to learn about my Dragon NaturallySpeaking Quick Start e-course, you can visit my website. Both subscribing to my YouTube channel and my website are both right here on this page, and look forward to providing you with more tips in the future. See you next time.